Can you guys feel it? It seems like the market is just holding its breath right now. We're essentially just treading water. And maybe this is because we're waiting for tomorrow's CPI report. Maybe it's because we're waiting to get even closer to the halving to see if we do go through our pre-halving or around the time of the halving drop consolidation. That's where it seems like we're at. But at the same time, it seems like we're very, very much in a similar spot to where we were in late February. And I want to show you guys what I mean. So we did, in fact, get our answer. You know, SHIB did not quite get its breakout. We're again consolidating. We're still fighting to stay above this 4028 range. We're getting close to the tip of this. It looks like we're going to ride out these trends to the end, guys. And that's when we may, in fact, make our move. Again, BTC has broken out. It's come back down. It's retested. We got a little bounce off of here. Would not surprise me if we did a little consolidating. Hopefully we get a retail push to kind of go back up here. I think that would actually be a big thing, guys. If we were able to climb and get all the way back up here, maybe set a little bit slighter high, a slightly higher high here. That might be big for the market. But if you guys remember back in late February, we had this period where we were fighting our trend in terms of Shiba Inu. We were fighting to get above 4010, kept getting rejected, started consolidating, tightening, fighting to stay above our bottom trend here. And then we popped. We had this big explosion on Monday, the 26th. And we had the same exact move take place in terms of BTC. We were consolidating, right? Trying to fight to stay up, fighting these moving averages. And then boom, we popped, right? That's where it almost feels like the market's at. Now, would I expect this move off of here to be at the same velocity, the same aggressiveness? Not necessarily. The reason why is, you know, we were kind of early on at that point. There was a lot of economic energy that was still sitting on the sidelines. Retail started coming back early. There's no guarantee that that happens this time. It takes more to move the needle at this point. Okay. Now I will say this, in terms of SHIB, we're up in thinner liquidity levels, right? Prices can move very, very quickly. Just look at how big our bullish pennant has been. Look at the range on this, guys, all the way up from basically 4045 all the way down to basically 4024. That's a big, big range, almost 50% range, guys. And what that means is that when we get out of here, when we do make our move, it's possible to make, you know, almost 100% run. That's not necessarily 100% from here, but you guys get the point. We can make a very, very strong move to the upside. It does not take a long time or a ton of economic energy to make that move. It takes more to make that move in terms of BTC because of how high the price is. When it comes to SHIB, it can move very, very quickly. And again, we're kind of holding our breath. We're waiting. Hopefully we get some sort of direction by tomorrow. And honestly, I think the report might shed a little light of volatility. We might kind of bounce around early part of the day. Middle of the day, we'll likely have a confirmation of direction. That's typically how these play out. It takes a little time to digest this news. Sometimes it's a late fuse. I've seen it to where it's even takes a day before this does in fact take place, before the market decides its direction. And I'll remind people that the end of this formation looks like it's Friday. So that's kind of our deadline. All right. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below about what you think is going to happen here, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.